At the heart of every dream lies a seed of possibility, waiting to be nurtured and brought to life. Edna Runner understood this truth deeply. After years of living in the Limestone Creek community and witnessing the struggles children faced, she knew something had to change. Beginning in her own backyard, she would invite children over to do homework, eat, and play together. Years later, this would expand to gatherings at the local church. Eventually, the community came together and raised the funds to build a single building, which has blossomed into the beautiful facility you see today. All of this was made possible by the unwavering support and generosity of this community. Now, we all carry on her legacy, knowing that dreams never truly end. Instead, they evolve, they grow, and they continue.
The Edna W. Runner Tutorial Center is a jewel in this community. The kids that come to our center are from all walks of life, and what we need to do is make sure that they have the education that they need, the food they need, the housing they need, and the after-school programs that they need to keep them engaged and better their education so they can better themselves.
The center's mission statement is to provide a safe and nurturing place for at-risk students and their families so they may pursue academic and personal excellence.
Having a structured after-school program, it's critical to have that type of structure, someone to go to until families, parents get home. They reinforce everything that we teach here at Limestone Creek during the day.
I believe that center has impacted the community in so many ways, making sure that they have access to different experiences that they may not get from their home environment, as well as being able to see more for themselves beyond what they see in their neighborhood, like being able to go to college and have a career.
The center offers obviously our aftercare program, but we also have a senior citizen program, and we also have our 9-week summer camp where we're all over Palm Beach County, Broward County, Fort Pierce, Treasure Coast, wherever we may be that day. We really want them to feel like they have a place and a home away from home.
Since we started coming in here, my kids started coming in here, my life has changed, and them too. We've been going through a rough situation, and I was close to take them out of this facility because I wasn't able to pay because I'm a single mom. And Mr. Travis did not let me take them out because they said that my kids are good kids.
Losing Edna has been a tremendous loss in the community, but I feel so confident that everything that she has built and all of her love that she has shared through the volunteers, through the counselors, and everybody who works at the center will continue to live on to support our students now and in the future.
It takes the community to make the community better. So if we did not have our donors who feed into the center, who give us the funds to keep running, the center would not look like what it is today.
My kids did not go to bed without a meal. So I'm asking for everybody to help this school. A lot of kids depend, and us as a parent also depend on this school.
The legacy that Edna started and the future that we can look forward to has brought many children to the center, has improved their skills, their learning skills, their communication skills, and it's necessary to keep this going, keep the dream alive.
One thing I like to leave with the kids, to my neighborhood and to my family, is that whatever you do, remember, whatever person that you meet that's down, don't leave them down. Lift them up in some way, somehow. And remember that whatever you achieve or try to do, I did not realize I was just taking care of kids in the neighborhood. I didn't realize that this was going to happen, that there was going to be a center named after me. I did it because I love helping people, and I wanted every kid to feel special and to feel love. And the kids tell me, Miss Runner, we will never forget the things that you've done for us and all the funny things that we do. I love doing what I do. I really love coming to work. I really love seeing kids change and their lives change. And most of all, my family, I appreciate them because everything that I achieved and tried to do, they were there for me. And it's important to have family, and I love my family, and I love my community because I realize that it's up to me and it's up to you to make a community what it is. If we don't help change the community will not be changed. So I wanted to change my community, and all of us need to be the change in our community.